when it comes to wildlife, well, they ain't shy over here in this part of the world. We are saying hello to Wellington, to the capital of New Zealand, and goodbye.
This morning to explore a little bit of Wellington, so we went to the Victoria Mount for the views of the city, and then we headed to the Weta Cave where they do the props for a lot of movies. We were most interested in the Hobbiton movies that they did, because they did the feet of the hobbits and everything, so it was a very cool place to go. They had a lot of trolls outside, we took some pictures, we had some fun, so yeah, it was a good morning, and now we are and we also drove around a little bit, and now we are here in the ferry port.
Hey, we already got our tickets. We are going to the South Island. We are traveling with Inter Islands.
Yeah, we are just waiting to board. There's a lot of cars in front of us, and yeah, that's it for now.
Oh, it's not called Inter Island, it's called Inter Islander. Me bad. We paid 234 New Zealand dollars, but this was because we had a discount code.
Yes, and we recommend that you book the tickets in advance, because they get very expensive closer to the date of travel. So if you book them in advance, you're probably gonna get a little cheaper. And look online for discount codes as well. Sometimes you find a couple, and it's always good to have a discount code.
All right, let's board. Here we go. Here we go, Christiana, to the South Island. Memories from when we used to cross from England to France, the ferry, long time ago.
Here we are. We go here.
Yes, sir.
That's very professional.
This is a juicy club.
Here we go.
A bit closer, is it fine? Wow, perfect. All
Perfect. Good. Let's jump out.
Head upstairs.
Oh, and they told us to, on the ticket it says that we should have the first gear on.
It's already on.
Perfect. Let's go.
And so it began, the 3.5-hour journey to the South Island. we had to stop by the side of the road. Look who we met again.
Well.
Some seals.
Unreal. This is not real. There's seals here. Just on the side of the road, so close to us. I mean, probably the phone can't zoom so
Far out.
so far out. I think quite close to us.
Look where they are.
And there's one right here just taking it
There's
out.
one there, another one there, and another one there.
So many along this coast. So surreal.
Let's jump back in.
We don't want to arrive too late. We want to get some space for tonight.
It really feels like, are we in a National Geographic documentary or what? Or Netflix documentary, which nowadays are really good. Alright.
I can tell you that it's a bit more chilly in the South Island.
Seats belt on. And here we go.
Back on the road we are.
Alright, a few more kilometers to go.
So we have arrived to our destination. It's getting a bit chilly. We're gonna have dinner and we're very excited to be here because apparently there is whales, there is dolphins, there is seals, maybe there is penguins. So that's gonna be for tomorrow. For today, that's it. We are welcomed by a beautiful sunset, which we're gonna be enjoying here. There is not a massive view, but we get pretty colours. So yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.